Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you about coastal landforms created by deposition. Coastal deposition is when the sea drops or deposits material. This can include sand, sediment, and shingle. This results in the formation of landforms of coastal deposition. In this video, we will look at how the beaches, bars, and sand dunes are formed. Okay, we're going to start with the formation of beaches. The beach is the area between the lowest spring tide level and the point reached by the storm waves in the highest tides. Every beach is different, but they are usually made up of material deposited on a wave-cut platform. Beaches are formed from sand and shingle, or pebbles. They can also be formed from mud and silt. A sandy beach is usually formed in a sheltered base where low-energy, constructive waves transport material onto the shore. The swash is stronger than the backwash, so the material is moved up the beach. Now let's look at the formation of a spit. A spit is a landform of coastal deposition. It is an extended stretch of beach material that sticks out to the sea and is joined to the mainland at one end. Longshore drift moves the material along the coastline. Longshore drift moves the materials in a zigzag manner along the beach. The prevailing wind makes the swash approach the shore at an angle. Backwash is at a right angle because of the gravity. Where the coastline changes direction or the power of the waves is reduced, the materials being transported by the sea is deposited. Where rivers or estuaries meet the sea, deposition also occurs. The sediment, which is deposited, usually builds up over the years to form a long ridge of material, usually from sand or shingle. Such a ridge is called a spit. The example of a spit is Spurn Point on the Holderness coast, okay, like shown in this picture. And we need to know that a spit is an unstable landform. It will continue to grow until the water becomes too deep or until the material is removed faster than it is deposited. Okay, now let's look at the sandbar. How does a sandbar form? Right. A sandbar or bay bar is very similar to a spit. It is a ridge of sand or shingle that joins two headlands either side of a bay. It is formed due to longshore drift as well, transporting sediment along the coastline. Behind the bar, a lagoon is created, where water has been trapped and the lagoon may gradually be infilled as a salt marsh develops due to it being a low energy zone, which encourages deposition. Offshore bar. An offshore bar is a raised area of seabed that is found offshore. They usually form adjacent to the coastline. They are formed in areas with high levels of sediment on a beach and where the sea is shallow. They form when sediment is transported on and off a beach. Destructive waves remove sediment from the beach and form the offshore bar. Constructive waves transport material from the offshore bar back onto the beach. Any visible offshore bars found in parallel to the coast are known as barrier island. Alright, now the last one is sand dunes. Sand dunes are small ridges or hills of sand found at the top of a beach above the reach of the waves. Onshore winds that blowing inland from the sea cause the formation of sand dunes at the back of the beach. Sand is deposited by the wind around an object such as a rock, forming embryo dunes. Over time, vegetation such as marram grass stabilizes the sand dunes, forming fall dunes. As the vegetation around the fall dunes decomposes, nutrients are released and soil begins to form. A wider range of plants are then able to colonize the dunes. Thank you.